Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, and this one is for all you Walkers, fans of Alan Walker. This one is Alan Walker and Winona Oak with the song called World We Used to Know. It's a great song here, great melody here, and a really cool kind of oriental feeling in the interlude there, so pretty cool to play. We have 5 different chords to handle here and no need for any capo, so let's start here. We have first the B minor. Alright, so you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, next will be A. Okay, so that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, then the next chord will be G. For this one, I will show you how to play G here with the bar chord here, since we're gonna play only the G when we are playing the melody here, and for that you will have to hold the grip with a bar chord. So that's why we choose to play G here with bar chord, and then you have to bar down the 3rd fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. Okay, so that's the G chord. And then we have the E minor. That. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally a D chord. So the D will be played with open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So those are the 5 chords: B minor, A, G, E minor, and D. Okay, we have this cool melody here going on in the verse here. So it's based on the B minor, G, A, and B minor. That is the chord progression here. So this is a melody I'm gonna play through for you right now. And then I'm gonna show you how it's done for each chord there, how the melody goes. So it goes like this. That is one chord progression there: B minor, G, A, and B minor. Okay, so we have 3 different patterns here: the B minor, G, and A. So let's start first with the B minor here. You need to hold the grip as it is, the chord, and when you have that, you're gonna play this part here. All right, so it's pretty much the same through the entire pattern here, and you will see the pattern will go through in the other chords as well, pretty much the same. So it will be 2nd here on the A string, 4th on D, then 3rd on B, 4th on G, 4th on D, 3rd on B, 4th on G, 4th on D, 3rd on B, 4th on G, 4th on D. So 3 times the same there, and then you're gonna end on 3rd on B. Okay, so just to repeat this one, it will start with 2nd fret A string, then 4th fret D string, and then you're gonna play 3 times of 3rd B, 4th G, 4th D. 3 times: 3rd B, 4th G, 4th D, 3rd B, 4th G, 4th D, and then you're gonna end with 3rd B. Okay, so slowly it will be like this. All right, you're gonna play 1 round of that for each chord. 1 round of this for every B minor. Then the next part will be the G here, based on the G chord. And like we learned here, we will take the G chord in a bar chord, so up here. And when you have this grip, you're gonna play this part. So it will be pretty much the same, but just different notes here. So you're gonna play first the 3rd fret on the E string in the bass, then 5th on the D, and then you're gonna play 3 times of 3rd B, 4th G, 5th B, D, sorry. 3 times. 3rd B, 4th G, 5th D. 3rd B, 4th G, 5th D, and you're gonna end on 3rd B. Okay? So just to repeat, 3rd here on the E string in the bass, then 5th on the D string, and then 3 times of 3rd B, 4th G, 5th D. 3 times like that, and then 3rd on B. And that's it for G. So I'm gonna play that slowly for you. Okay, so you're gonna play that one time there as well. And then we have the final part here based on the A chord. And for this one, you can choose to hold the A like this, like you normally do with all your fingers. But for this one, you can actually just bar the 2nd fret here from the D string and down, since we're not gonna use this open E string down here. So that makes it great just to bar and allow yourself to not work too much with all your fingers here in the middle. Just bar the 2nd fret here from D string and down. That's what I do. You could take this chord as well if you want. It's up to you, okay? But grab an A chord or this bar here, and you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, and then 3 times of 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D, 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D, 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and you're gonna end with 2nd B. So you can see the pattern here for all these chords, pretty much the same there. So just to repeat, open A, and then 2nd D. Then comes this 3 times of 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D. 3 times like that, and then just end on 2nd B. So this final part will sound like this slowly. Alright, so now when we have these B minor, G, and A, we are ready to play the verse now. So like I said, the verse will be 1 round of B minor, 1 round of G, 1 round of A, and 1 round of B minor. That is 1 chord progression. You will play that for 2 rounds, okay? So let's go for 2 rounds. That's 1. B minor, G, A, and B minor. Yeah, that's the verse. And then comes this, yeah, you could say the chorus part here actually. And the lyrics, did it come overnight or did it come on slow? That's the question there, and that's how the chorus starts there. So you will play only 1 downstroke for following chords: B minor, G, A. Then you're gonna play a little bit faster: B minor, A, and G. And that is the part where the theme comes here. Is the world that we used to know. Okay, so B minor, A, and G. So the first part will be okay. So B minor, G, and A and then B minor, A, and G. That's the chords. Only one down for each chord. That is the chorus. Then comes this very cool interlude here. We will not learn the melody here. We can look at the chords here. We will learn the strumming and do the background music, you can say, and just keep on this oriental vibe here with the strumming. And the melody will be a bit too much to incorporate into this strumming. It will be too yeah, complex, I believe, because we need to go up very high here. Yeah, it's something like, yeah, I haven't practiced this just for my head this time. I believe it's something like this, yeah, so we will skip that melody here, but that's the part. So yeah, I believe it could work, but for this tutorial we'll skip that, and I will just give you the chords and a strumming pattern that will work for this one. So let's look at the strumming first, and then we'll incorporate the chords here. So the strumming will be, if we take this E minor, for instance, that is the first chord for this kind of release or interlude, or whatever we want to call it. So E minor, and then strumming will be down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so so down, up, down, down, up. That is one round. Down, up, down, down, up. So you have a small break after first down, so okay, so down, up, down, down, up. That's one round. You're gonna play one round for each chord here. And I'm gonna give you this chord right now. So it will be E minor, B minor, A, and G. The same, E minor, B minor, A, G, E minor, B minor, A, and G. Okay, so 3 times of E minor, B minor, A, and G. And on the 4th round here, we're gonna play E minor and D. Okay, so that's where the D comes into picture. And then you're gonna play just one down of the B minor, A, and G. And that is the part that you're saying is the word that we used to know again. So the 4th round after the E minor, B minor, A, and G, 3 rounds. So on the 4th round comes the E minor, D, with strumming, and then just one down on B minor, A, and G. So the 4th round will be like this: E minor, D, right. So that is this release or interlude part there with the strumming. All right, so now it's pretty much nothing new to this song, not that much. We had a second verse right after. It's played in the same way as the first verse with this picking here. And the same goes with the next chorus with the only downs for each and every chord. Same chords, only one down, so pretty much exactly the same. And then follows another part of this interlude or release here. It will be almost the same, but not that long. So it will be only E minor, B minor, A, and G with the strumming, and even E minor and D. And then comes this one down for each chord here: B minor, A, and G. This is the word that we used to know. So you can say that this one is shorter. They cut off 2 rounds in the beginning here of the E minor, B minor, A, and G. So you only have 1 round of this instead of 3, and the rest will be the same there. So that's the part here, this interlude parts. Then comes the bridge part in the lyrics. I could show you places that we had. So that's where we are. And it will be only 1 down for each chord here. So the chords will be B minor, G, A, in the world we used to know. So B minor, and then A. And then take me home. On this take, you play B minor. And show, G. Me love that can last, A. There's a world we used to know. And there comes again B minor, A, and G. So to repeat this bridge part here, B minor, G, A, B minor, A. Then comes B minor, G, A, B minor, A, G. So that's the bridge part. Only one down for each chord. And then comes the final chorus part here, same as the other choruses there. And we have a final outro part as well. And it will be same as the first interlude, this big one with E minor, B minor, A, and G 3 times, and then comes E minor, D, and then one down of B minor, A, and G is the world that we used to know. Yeah, so the world is constantly changing, and Gordon guitar as well, so nothing is like it was, and that is why we have a song like this, where the world that we used to know. Yeah, deep there in the end, but yeah, I'm glad you are still following me here on Gordon guitar, so keep on with that, and we are working with this together. See you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.